Good morning. Today I'm going to teach you about history. Chapter 1: What, Where, When, and How. People often wonder as to how we come to know about the past. But let me tell you, it is quite an interesting task. Okay, so the first question that comes to our mind is what can we know about the past? So the answer is there is no end to the list of things we can know about the past. We learn about the things people ate, clothes they wore, and the houses which they lived in. So, our next question is what is history? To make it simpler for you, history is his story, the story of man. But then again, there are certain things which needs to have more description. And here are few points which reflects the significance of history. History is the study of our past. It is about what people did and how they lived in the past, about the economy, occupations, and the eating habits. And the scholars who study the past are called historians. Now, the next question: why should we study history? We might have heard our friends say, why should we learn about long dead kings and the battles? But history is not only about kings and battles, it is more than that. It educates us. So, the next question is, what are the sources for the study of history? But what are source material? Source material means the place and object which provide information about events that happened in the past. And the source material is of two kinds. One is literary, the other is archaeological. An example of a religious literature. Now, this is an example of a secular literature. Secular literature refers to writings on subjects other than religion like politics, grammar, medicine, etc. Archaeological includes inscriptions, monuments, manuscripts, coins, and artifacts. These are few examples of artifacts. These are the example of inscriptions. This is the examples of coins. Let's review what we learned. We learned what is history, what can we know about the past, why should we study history, what are the sources of history, and types of sources. Let's check our progress.